𝗧𝗂 block. The 𝗧𝗂 block was the world's first folding form block, and each block in the 𝗧𝗂 block weighed a total of 2.5 kilograms. This block system is both modular and lightweight, in addition to being ecologically friendly and cost-effective. 𝗧𝗂 block is an effective product that contributes to the reduction of the risk of suffering an injury to the musculoskeletal system. The finished 𝗧𝗂 block product has the same qualities as a wall constructed of reinforced concrete, while also serving as a symbol for the environment. This is made possible by the fact that 𝗧𝗂 block is made from recycled synthetic material. Because it is composed of two separate halves that are joined together by folding hinges, 𝗧𝗂 block possesses exceptional mechanical characteristics and is resistant to all kinds of weather. It is 80% lighter than the conventional formwork blocks. When compared to a regular wall, it requires 3 times less storage area and is installed 6 times faster. Because of this, 𝗧𝗂 block is an excellent choice for use in any form of construction. 𝗥𝗁𝗃𝗃. The 𝗥𝗁𝗃𝗃 insulation board is a non-combustible and pressure-resistant insulation board that is composed of rock wool. Its purpose is to provide thermal insulation for the ceiling of the top level, having an additional full-service cover that is built out of gypsum fiber, chipboard, and wood-based panels. In addition to the standard cover, the 𝗥𝗁𝗃𝗃 was developed specifically for incorporation into the thermal insulation of interior building components, including but not limited to ceilings, floors between beams or cushions, suspended ceilings, and other similar components. In conditions in which there are no demands imposed on the insulating filling's acoustic qualities and in which there is no mechanical loading of the insulating filling can be considered to be unloaded. Sound is absorbed by the 𝗥𝗁𝗃𝗃, and the entire board has been hydrophobicized, making it resistant to moisture and water and making it repel both of these substances. Stacked-in 1 blocks. Is there a significant height differential between the street and the construction site? Do you have issues with height discrepancies in your garden? Do you want to deal with the level discrepancies in a way that is both environmentally sound and aesthetically pleasing? Then you are making the right choice with retaining products from Stacked-in 1 blocks. Differences in level, large or small, straight, angular or rounded? Stacked-in 1 blocks is the perfect solution for you. All of the blocks are stacked without the use of any wet or sticky materials. Thus, Stacked-in is the most user-friendly structural system available. In addition, the cleft surface and finish of Stacked-in make it extremely low maintenance. 𝗲𝗁 Weather Protection System. The 𝗲𝗁 Weather Protection System was built at the top of a framework of scaffolding of varying designs. It allows for both symmetrical and asymmetrical spans to be built, giving you more leeway in terms of how you lay out your building. Depending on the needs and the local climate, you can select 1 or 2 Keter tarpaulins. The aluminum used to make the 𝗲𝗁 Weather Protection System is top-notch and can be recycled when it has served its purpose. In order to extrude and manufacture the components, hydropower is the primary source of energy used. As a result of its lightweight and unique construction, aluminum has the smallest carbon footprint of any material. The aluminum body and few parts make it easier to build, more convenient to store, and less time-consuming to transport than its rivals. You'll just need a handful of materials and beams in lengths of 50, 100, 200, and 300 centimeters to have your roof up and running quickly and easily. 𝗏𝗏Plus. 𝗏𝗏Plus is an innovative brick slip cladding solution that is also very cost-effective in terms of covering an exterior surface. When compared to the time required by traditional brick slip cladding systems, the installation time for this method is significantly cut down. Replicating almost any brick finish that already exists is possible. It's not heavy at all, but it has the texture and weight of real bricks. 𝗏𝗏Plus is not only fire-resistant, but also does not impose any height restrictions on its users. By producing 𝗏𝗏Plus slips rather than cutting down bricks to create finishes that don't even exist, it is possible to produce ageless and individualized structures that are capable of withstanding the test of time while retaining all of the advantages of contemporary technologies. Anchored concrete clamshell box culvert. Concrete, and more specifically reinforced concrete, is used in the construction of box culverts. In order to successfully install a box culvert, a surface that is free of moisture is required. However, because the concrete floor is so strong, the flow of water can be deflected in a different direction when there is a considerable amount of water forecast. Because of this characteristic, concrete clamshell box culverts are one of the most common types of culverts that may be found. The Anchor concrete clamshell box culvert was developed because it can accommodate the massive traffic volumes expected on major highways. This culvert serves as a water channel, a passage for local wildlife, and as a temporary bridge for motorists on the highway. Due to the ease and speed with which it can be installed, Anchor Concrete helps to keep the costs down and ensures that the projects are finished on time. PaveGen. Do you think that if you walked 50,000 steps every day, it would change your life? PaveGen tiles allow for this to happen. With their low carbon footprint, PaveGen tiles are a viable option for kinetic energy collection on city streets. It's not shocking that the tile is gaining popularity as a way to solve the problem of excessive energy consumption in places with heavy foot traffic. In high-traffic locations, the tiles harness the kinetic, or what we also call moving energy, of people's footsteps to generate renewable electricity that can be preserved in a lithium polymer battery or utilized to run low-power devices away from the main grid, including streetlights, TVs, speakers, alarms, and advertisements. A center light turns on when someone walks over the tile, connecting them to the 2.1 watts of power each hour the tiles can possibly generate. The tiles are built up of 98% recycled rubber and 2% corrosion-resistant stainless steel. They can survive the weather conditions encountered outside, are waterproof, and can be readily installed in pre-existing buildings without any problems. Pegasus Solar Tile Scissor Mount. The Pegasus Scissor Mount is the quickest and most straightforward solution for installation on a tile roof. It allows for the installation on tiles of both W and S shapes. The grinding of tiles is eliminated by Pegasus Solar Tile Scissor Mount, and it provides you with additional tiles to make up for those that have been damaged. It makes installation much simpler and quicker, which in turn reduces the amount of crew fatigue and boosts overall production. It is manufactured with advanced materials and coatings in order to outlast the roof it is attached to. It is compatible with the majority of tile thicknesses as well as batten or battenless roofs. Its S-flashing technique can be used on both concrete and clay tiles. It also fits with all types of rails. Kinley AluXL. AluXL is one of the greatest edging solutions available, providing an unrivaled mix of durability, flexibility, and aesthetic appeal. Made of high-quality, long-lasting aluminum, AluXL is available in a variety of finishes to complement practically any landscape design style. You can choose a gorgeous powder-coated finish to complement your specific color scheme to be the envy of your neighbors. AluXL is non-rusting, lightweight, and long-lasting. It is quick and simple to install and is ideal for giving your yard a gorgeous, professional finish without the need for a professional landscape gardener. Fovio Thermal Insulation System. The Fovio Thermal Insulation System serves to protect the interior of a home from the effects of outside temperature. This results in a large reduction in the quantity of energy utilized inside the house, as well as a reduction in energy costs. FovioTech Thermal Insulation System retains its qualities and efficiency if all label and packaging requirements are followed, so the owners of it must check out the packaging requirements very carefully. Geosystem S60S. In order to strengthen the surface and cultivate the green area, the Geo product Geosystem S60S Ecological Plastic System is the best option. Exactly how does it work then? Clip the entire surface together for a seamless finish. The grid can be easily trimmed to fit the available space. Install the grid on top of the substrate using plastic anchors or steel rods, adjusting the installation method for the soil type and slope angle. Human soil or a humus and aggregate mixture might be used to fill in the prepared surface. The time has come to plant seeds in the empty grid squares. Last but not least, I suggest that you cover it with a Geo-Sandy grass mixture. Bera Alu Sub-Base Terrace System. The Bera Alu Sub-Base Terrace System is a modern and easy-to-install set of pedestals that comes with a full sub-base system made of sturdy aluminum, resulting in a terrace that is resistant to rot, bending, twisting, and the elements. By reducing the need for pedestals, the 𝗵𝗏 sub-base terrace method allows skilled builders to produce low-cost, high-quality decking and terraces. The aluminum system is easy to set up in little time. It can make ramps and stairs with absolutely no screw connections. 𝗵𝗏 terrace systems can be installed in a variety of settings, including backyards, rooftops, and areas around pools. 𝗵𝗏 height-adjustable decking and ceramic tile pedestals are constructed from premium polypropylene and are fully recyclable. They were designed by professionals for professionals. Each pedestal has a base that is sufficiently solid to withstand the load, and they are all built to comply with European rules controlling roof applications. If you like the video, check out this video, 15 coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying.